The Eco-Circ XL and Eco-Circ XL Plus feature a 3 or 4-digit display with an intuitive and user-friendly interface. The control has 4 push buttons and is designed to give quick and easy access to the control on site. The control mode button allows the user to switch between 1 to 4 control modes. These are constant pressure, proportional pressure, constant speed, and night mode. The unit of measurement can be changed by pressing the parameter button. The units of measure available are power consumption, or watts, flow rate in gallons per minute or cubic meters per hour, head pressure in feet or meters, and speed in rotations per minute or RPM. By pressing and holding the parameters button for 1 second, the user can switch from flow in cubic meters per hour to gallons per minute, or from meters to feet in head pressure. The settings button can be used to change set points. To change the set point, press one of the settings buttons. The display will start to flash the current set point. Use the up or down arrow settings buttons to change the value. After 3 seconds, the display will stop flashing and the new set point is now updated. The digital display provides feedback to the user for monitoring or programming of the unit. The power indicator allows a user to quickly determine if the unit is powered on. If the indicator is illuminated, the unit has power. If the indicator is not illuminated, then the unit is not powered. The status/fail indicator provides operational information to the user. If the indicator is green, the circulator is working properly. If the indicator is orange, it means the unit is indicating a system problem or something external affecting the circulator. If the indicator is red, it means the circulator has failed. The Eco-Circ XL Plus can also be controlled remotely. The display provides an indicator to allow the user to know if the communication is working. If the remote indicator is illuminated, then the unit is receiving the external signal.